Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by finding the beep source. This tells you what to fix. First, check if the sound happens on all calls or only with one app. Once done, open Settings and note recording and accessibility permissions, plus any notification rules tied to calls. Make sure you have the phone model and OS version handy. Developers and carriers ask for those. This avoids wasted steps and lets you target the precise setting that creates the call recording tone. You now change the detailed settings that generate the beep. Go into the app that inserts the tone and disable any recording alerts or notification sounds, then revoke background recording permission if appropriate. For system-level beeps, search call or privacy settings for built-in recording and toggle it off. Once done, update or reinstall the app to clear cached defaults. Make sure to restart the phone after changes so OS services reload. Finish by verifying the fix and preparing a fallback plan. Call someone and test. If the beep remains, contact the app developer or your carrier with the device model, OS build, and exact reproduction steps. If you need a temporary workaround, use Do Not Disturb or an alternative calling app that doesn't add tones. Just make sure you're not violating laws. If nothing works, provide logs and timestamps to support for a faster resolution. This one troubleshooting tip usually speeds up fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.